So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got some good news and some bad news. Ultimately, that bad news isn't really bad news, but just another door for me to grow in the car scene, you know, as far as learning new things and eventually, you know, be able to do it by myself. And, you know, later on when I don't have anybody to help me, I can just perfectly do it by myself. But the other day, for my last video with Noe, when I took him in the Subi, when I did the 5 top things I love about my STI, I got home and there was a little leak under my car. I am running multiple tranny fluid and my front transmission and differential, and then same as well for my differential in the back. But the thing is, the differential in the back actually takes a different grade of fluid. Make sure you guys do get the correct one. Here, I think I got it right here so I can show you guys. So you got this one right here. It's a 90 PA. This one goes in your back differential. It is like a limited slip differential, so make sure to get the correct one. I know for my year I needed this one. And then for the front differential, it's actually connected with the tranny, so it's all in one. You fill up your tranny, you're filling up your differential pretty much. So yeah, make sure to get the correct one. I'll post a link in the description, the ones I got for the front tranny and the differential, and then the back one. But yeah, guys, I got home, I noticed a leak. It wasn't too bad, a little, like 2 or 3 drops, but I knew it was tranny fluid because of the color it was. And yeah, let alone me and my dad go down there. So at first I thought it was the output shaft seal, the one that goes to your CV axle, the one that goes into your tranny. So pretty much, you know, your CV axle goes into your tranny. This seal right here, I thought that was the one that was oozing out, but my dad thinks it's the one that's actually on the tranny itself. So going to the output shaft, going into your clutch. So you got your output shaft tranny going into your clutch. He thinks it's that one. There is a seal right there for tranny fluid, but I don't know. But now, if it is that, we gotta drop that damn tranny down. You know, take it off completely. Take off the CV axles, you know, drop the tranny, and then remove that seal, replace it. And the damn thing about this seal, dude, like, it's only like $4 to $8, that seal. And the job, if you were to take this to a shop, like a legit shop, a mechanic, they would at least charge you like around $700 to $800 just to drop your tranny down and change out that $7 seal. So my dad's a smart man, I'll give him that. He's been working on cars for a while now. He is self-taught. He does get help from his friends, my uncles, you know, they all know about cars. And he actually had bought in a Subaru wagon from an auction like 3 years ago. This car would only go in reverse, it wouldn't go into gear. So they had dropped that tranny down from that wagon, and it's pretty much the same thing. That's what I love about Subarus. Like, you can get a freaking motor from a 2.5 WRX and put it in an STI, but I don't know why you do that, but you can. You can get an STI 2.5 and put it in a WRX. You can put it in a 2.5 RS. You know, you could swap out and change things completely throughout all STIs, WRXs, and Prezas, you know. You can literally make a WRX, an STI clone completely, you know. There could be a guy with a WRX out there and saying he has an STI, but he doesn't. But I'm just saying, like, it's so compatible with the things you can change throughout the cars, and that is what I love about them as well. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna take this as bad news, you know. I'm gonna take it as news that I'm able to grow, expand my knowledge on cars. I would do the tranny job by myself, but because I have my dad with me and he knows a lot about cars, I am gonna take advantage of that and have him help me. He loves helping me out, I love helping him out. We have those 2 diesels back there and we've done everything to them ourselves. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm not gonna take this as bad news. I'm actually gonna, you know, I'm not thankful this happened, but it's just another bump on the road, you know, and we're gonna take care of this. But yeah, enough of that. I'll show you guys later more of that. It's on stands right now, but it's totally fine to drive still. It's just a small leak. But now to the good news. I recently purchased something for my car. I've been wanting this forever, ever since I've had this STI in my other WRX. It's never came with it. It usually comes on 06 to 07 STIs, and then it comes stock as well. So because my STI is an 05, it doesn't come with it, and because my WRX was an 06, it didn't come with it just because it was a WRX. And I finally got it. I got a paint match to my car, and I got the center paint black. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna just hold it out for you guys. You guys ready? All right. So this is what I got. If you guys don't know what this is, it is a roof spoiler for my car. It goes on the back window, pretty much like close to the roof on top, but it doesn't. You know, I got the sides paint match to my Aspen white, and then I got the center black, like a gloss black. So yeah, I got this back just recently, and I do have a polisher. I need to polish it up because he didn't have time to polish it. It was a quick job, you know, someone I knew, thanks to my brother-in-law that got him for me. You know, that's the thing I love about my brother-in-law. He knows so many people down in the Tri-City. He can literally find anything for any job. So yeah, I hit him up to see if he knew a painter, and yeah, for sure he did. And yeah, I love the way it came out. I love the job. Put his info down below. He is in the Tri-Cities and he does an amazing job. But yeah, I am gonna polish this up real quick so it's mirror finish, you know. Pretty much just a wet sand and just polish it up with the polisher. So yeah guys, this is gonna wrap it up for the video. I just want to keep you guys updated and be real with you guys. I don't want any, you know, blurred lines in between these videos throughout my channel. I want to tell you guys completely everything. As far as the Subi and problems with that, that's all gonna be on here. And I'm glad you guys, you know, support me. People are actually hitting me up for these sweaters. I don't have anything set up right now for merch. Me and Kyle, my buddy, my best friend, the guy that got me this sweater, actually, we've been talking, and I'm actually gonna think about opening a website for limited sweaters and merch, you know, shirts. I'm gonna just say shirts and sweaters, but that's all I gotta say right now. But there will be more stuff for cars, stuff for people that aren't into cars but, you know, want to support me. And yeah guys, like I say every video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It does really help me out. Before I leave as well, I want to say that I am thankful for all of you that watch my videos every week. I know not all of you guys are into cars and still watch my videos, but that is amazing. For everyone that's been here since day one, I'm thankful for you guys. And for everyone that is coming still, I'm thankful for all of you guys too, because I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. And honestly, like, I do this because I love to do this, not because I, you know, get something out of it. But I love working on cars. I love showing the journey about what I'm doing, you know, throughout the car scene, and my buddies and my friends, stuff like that, my girlfriend. I just want to show you guys everything, you know. But thanks for watching. Again, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Peace.